Welcome to this video on finding the highest common factor and lowest common multiple using the vertical branching method. In this video, we will explore what the highest common factor, or HCF, and the lowest common multiple, or LCM, are. These concepts are essential for solving various math problems involving numbers. The first step is prime factorization. We break down each number into its prime factors. For example, using 24, 36, and 60, we find their prime factors as shown here. Here are the completed prime factorizations for 24, 36, and 60, expressed with exponents, providing a clear view of their building blocks. Next, we compare these factorizations. By looking at them side by side, we can identify common factors and note the powers for each, which is key to finding the HCF and LCM. To find the HCF, choose the common prime factors with the smallest powers. For our numbers, the common factors are 2 and 3. Using the smallest powers, 2 squared times 3 equals 12. So the HCF is 12. Now take a moment to consider why we choose the smallest powers when calculating the highest common factor. To find the LCM, we take a different approach. Instead of the smallest, we choose the highest power of each prime factor that appears across all the numbers. Applying this to our example, we take 2 cubed, 3 squared, and 5 to the power of 1. Multiplying these values, 8 times 9 times 5, gives us 360. Therefore, the LCM is 360. Now it is time to practice. Try finding the HCF and LCM of 18, 24, and 30 using the vertical branching method we just covered. Work with your peers to solve this practice problem. Compare your results and explain your reasoning to one another. To summarize, prime factorize each number, compare the factors, use the smallest powers for HCF, use the highest powers for LCM, and multiply to find your final result. As we conclude, reflect on which part of the method you found most intuitive, and consider how these calculations might apply to real-life situations.